How'd you like that trick shot, dude? Perfect. Alright guys, welcome back. It has been a crazy holiday season. Obviously I haven't been around. My 2-year-old got hurt and was hospitalized around Thanksgiving time. People were sick around Christmas time. My 8-year-old just broke her arm last week. It's been a hectic few months, but we are getting back on track now. Finally, we have another TacPack. Shout out for the Mad Dog Mattis shirt from last month's TacPack December. I know you guys didn't see the video. You guys should all know this this design. You've all seen it over on Lunkers TV in his house. Awesome t-shirt. I love it. We're going to get right into this month's TacPack for January. And we only have 4 items in this box, but there's a couple of big ticket items, okay? So we'll go down the list, and next month, February, is going to be a big box. Biggest value yet. It's over $200, and it looks like TacPack has been designing something for this box for a while that's been made in Texas, so that's awesome. Alright, number 1 right off the bat, $65. Okay, we have the Machine Sling, okay, and this is, it's called their Hammer Sling. It's a convertible 2-to-1 sling. Let's take a look here. Now I know a lot of guys have been very impressed with this sling. This is a really good quality sling. Really good quality hardware right there. I mean, that stuff is just thick and heavy. So this will definitely do the trick. I mean, that strap is super strong. Very nice sling right there. The next thing we have is a scraper for your AR-15. This is from Real Avid. Okay, it's just simply called their AR-15 scraper. It's got cartridge extractor, firing pin, bolt tail shoulder, inside bolt tail, bolt waist, all the different areas that you can use this to scrape off that nasty carbon. Definitely always great to have plenty of these tools in your bag. I have a whole crap load of them, but they're always nice to have. Next up, from Fiberlight. Okay, I was really interested in this. Alright, it's just a little tin, and it's basically sawdust mixed with wax that you can use as a fire starter. You know, made in the USA, definitely handmade. I love the sticker and logo there. I love the tin. And I will actually be doing a demo on how to use this and how good it works later on this week, so stay tuned for that. And then we have a little gift card here for Fiberlight. Buy one, get one free. There is a code there. If anybody wants this code for Fiberlight, leave a comment down below in the comment section. First person to comment that they want it will get this code. Now, lastly, from Mobile Marksmen, this is basically an inverted, curved grip here. Let me see what the card says. It's a curved foregrip developed by 3-gunner James Renteria. Made in America, which is always a big thing with TacPack. And you know, it's got the hardware in here, it's got the Allen wrench in here, everything. So that looks like it might be something interesting to throw on something. You know, it's got installation directions on the back. Very nice. Nice quality. Everything that TacPack sends out to us is always nice quality, guys. So if you do not have TacPack yet, definitely check out the discount code below and go over there and pick up one of these. I think they're only $49.95. And like this box here, I think this box here was $160 in value. You know, I mean, just this strap alone, this strap is $65 alone, and you paid 49 bucks for it, so that is not a bad deal at all. Definitely, guys, like I said, TacPack is one of my biggest supporters. They've been sending me a box almost since the month that they started. I think I came around in month 2 or 3. Great guys. If they make any mistakes, they correct it right away. Your shipping is always super fast, and I never have any issues with them. And I love getting all the gear that I get. So please take a look at TacPack, support us, support them, and stay tuned because we're going to try out some more daily videos again now that everything in life has kind of calmed down for right now. We're going to be doing a lot more fishing. It's starting to warm up again in Arizona. The high today was only 65, but next week it's going to be back up into the 80s a little bit. Definitely going to be going fishing some more. We're going to be doing some demos with all the TacPack stuff. We're going to be looking at some of the old gear that we've gotten from TacPack. It's going to be a great time. Thanks for watching.